All right, so the next one, I'm going to repot this Elegans into this beautiful white pot, and I'm going to get some soil. I try not to overthink these. These are pretty hardy vines. So these are pretty hardy vines. But I still want to add extra drainage where I can. So yep. And then what I do is I put a little bit of Osmocote in the rim and mix it in within the rim, so it has to reach for it. Once it's settled, then it doesn't get shock, right? Maybe I'm overthinking it, whatever. Let's see how established this fucker is. Actually, it's looking pretty established. Oh, earthworm, chuck it in there. It's looking like a pretty established thing, actually. Looking very established. I'm going to put it in the front because maybe it will need a small moss pole or a stake later. So I don't even know where I'm going to put this, to be honest with you. I don't even know. I lift it out a little bit. Oh, what am I doing? Just putting the freaking tray. Okay, so I lift it up a little bit so it's not buried. You don't really want it buried. Yeah. Okay. And then I'll just use some of the old soil, which looks like it's pretty good, on top, just to top it up. Easy repot. I'm going to water the bejesus out of this. I have it at the same level as before. I've got it with a rock. There. To prop up the leaf. I've got it at roughly the same level before. There. Look at that. Beautiful. Easy repot. Easy repot. All right. Welcome to another replant, repot, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 begonias in one pot. Why? Because I don't want to have multiple begonias, pots, whatever. I got these free, so hey, whatever. Let's see what happens. What I do actually is I've got a small pot and I want to know the proportions of what I'm putting in there. I just do this so I know that it's not too full. I don't waste soil or the wrong mix for the next plant because I generally customize the blend. So I've got some orchid bark and I've got potting mix and I've got pumice, extra drainage. These guys, from what I gather, like good chunky airy mixes. So let's get on to that. And I've had good luck with this soil mix as well. So there you go. Let's see how rooted this is. Okay. It doesn't look too... It's a good solid chunk. So it looks like the rooting is quite good. Begonias tend to root fast. Look at that. So actually, very happy with that. Because then I can just smash them in there. And they can grow in tandem. And grow in tandem. Now, all of this spare soil that I've got from this begonia session, they're actually going to go to the other plants, so it doesn't matter. There we go. Look, easy as. That's it. Done.